How to buy Gordito token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money with some crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created just 59 to 1 hour. It's not as you can see, it's almost 1 hour from now. So as you can see, the token it's trending it's increased by 300% in the last 24 hours, and the token trending number 11 in the Solana section. Now we will show you how to buy this token. Now click here to copy the token address, open your fund wallet for that. Now click here on swap, make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet, of course. Now click here and press token address in the search bar. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it, click on understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token. As you can see here, to select the provider, click on pricing, click on provider. Now select Jupiter, there is only one provider, click on apply. Now go back. As you can see, you will be able to see a swap here. Now click on it. After that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Gordito token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe to see you next video.